going to show you how to make these cute little origami Christmas trees. They're actually really easy to make and they're a fun craft for the holidays, and you can make some cards out of them. All you need are your hands and some square origami paper. We're going to use this green flowery looking one. We're going to start off on the blank side of our origami paper, hold it diagonally and then fold it across the middle. Go ahead and make your crease and then unfold it. Next, we're going to take the sides of our paper and using that crease as a guide, we're going to fold it into the middle. Go ahead and make your creases and then unfold it. Then we're going to take that tiny little tip at the bottom and make a little triangle, using that crease line as a guide to get it in the middle. Then we're going to refold our sides back into the middle. Okay, then we're going to take the top sides and fold those into the middle as well. Go ahead and make your creases on those and then unfold them. We're going to take this bottom portion and using the creases that we just made as a guideline, fold it up and then crease it. Then we're going to take the top part of that and fold it down so that a little bit is sticking out of the bottom. And that's going to be your tree trunk. And then we're going to refold those top sides and crease it all down and you're done. You have a Christmas tree. Oh, it's so cute. You can tape the back of it. You can also stick a little hole in the top and make a cute little tag. Or you can use some glue and make some really amazing cards for the holidays. And that is how you make a tiny origami Christmas tree. Pretty cool.